In this special edition of your Texas Political Roundup, we revisit our 31 Days, 31 Ways series and some of the changes to state law, starting on the border, where nearly half of the record $800 million border security budget that passed in the 84th Legislature will go to bolstering Department of Public Safety ranks in the region. The money to hire up to 250 new troopers kicked in September 1st. Also now in effect, a law that will ban 1,000 possible chemical compounds of synthetic marijuana, commonly known as K2, and make it a lot tougher for Texans to buy or sell the dangerous drug. Keeping with crime in courts, Texas grand jury selection gets an overhaul. The new law ends the state's controversial pick-a-pal system in which judges appointed commissioners, sometimes friends, to tap jurors to be summoned. Judges will now seat juries through random selection. In healthcare, patients with health insurance will suffer slightly less sticker shock when the bill comes from a hospital visit. A new law minimizes the impact of so-called balance billing on policyholders. Remote doctor appointments are expected to become more commonplace in school nurse offices thanks to a new law, which allows doctors to bill for school-based telehealth services provided to Medicaid kids. Several laws limiting spending took effect this week, including a measure that will phase out 2 college aid programs that benefit the middle class, and another that cut more than half of the state's film incentive budget. And finally, brides set to marry can now get their hair done on location legally. A new law permits licensed beauticians and cosmetologists to work at special events outside of their studios. I'm Alana Rocha. For a complete look at our month-long multimedia series, visit us online at texastribune.org.